Silicon reacts with a mixture of calcium oxide and magnesium oxide at 1200 degrees centigrade. Silicon with magnesium oxide, calcium oxide to make magnesium and calcium silicate. What statement is correct? Well, magnesium goes from +2 state to 0. Calcium goes from +2 to seemingly +2. Silicon goes from 0 to, by the way, if you figure this out, calcium is 2 plus, and there are 2 of them, so SiO4 will be a 4 minus ion.
Quick pause. If you're finding value in this explanation, there's so much more to discover at Alt Academy, where we break down every A-level concept with the same clarity. Now back to the video lesson.
And that's a 4 minus ion. What is silicon? Silicon is 4 times minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So x minus 8 is minus 4, x equals to plus 4. So silicon goes from 0 to plus 4, that's oxidation, and magnesium is reduced. So magnesium is reduced and silicon is oxidized. So that's wrong. Silicon is oxidized, calcium is reduced. No, silicon is oxidized. So the only answer is Charlie. No, sorry, bravo. It's because calcium is not reduced. Magnesium is reduced, calcium is not reduced or oxidized, and silicon is oxidized. So the answer here is bravo. Okay, B. Hey there. If you found this A-level chemistry lesson helpful, why don't you head over to our website, altacademy.org, where you can sign up for the full A-level chemistry course. In addition to chemistry, you can sign up for physics, biology, math, or 4 other A-level subjects. Thousands of students have already taken the leap. What are you waiting for?